Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Jeep Compass dashboard. First, gather your essential tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a set of screwdrivers. For safety, always disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal before beginning any electrical work. To protect your interior, apply painter's tape around the edges of panels you will be prying. Then, gently remove any easily accessible trim pieces using your pry tools. Next, focus on the center dashboard. Use your trim tools to carefully pry off the radio and climate control bezel. This piece is usually held in place by several clips, so work slowly around its edges. Once loose, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the bezel. Then, remove the screws that secure the radio and climate control units. Be sure to set these components aside in a safe place to prevent any damage. Now, let's move to the instrument cluster and side panels. Begin by removing any screws that secure the instrument cluster surround. With the screws out, gently pull the cluster forward and disconnect its electrical connectors from the rear. Next, carefully remove the A-pillar trim panels. These are often held by clips and may require a firm but gentle pull. Finally, locate and remove any hidden screws that might be revealed behind these panels. For the final step, identify and remove all remaining screws and bolts that secure the main dashboard structure to the vehicle's frame. Double-check thoroughly for any overlooked electrical connections or hidden clips that could still be holding it in place. With the help of another person, gently pull the entire dashboard assembly away from the vehicle. Once removed, store the dashboard in a secure location to prevent any damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.